Greetings, everyone. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate precisely how to acquire Spotify playlists as M3 files. Let's dive right in. Commence by launching your Spotify app. Once you're inside, navigate to your library, which can be found in the bottom section. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner and tap on the plus icon. From the options presented, select Playlist. Proceed to create a new playlist. Once your playlist is ready, you'll notice some recommended songs already added. To populate your playlist with songs you enjoy, simply tap Add to this playlist and then search for and include the songs of your choice. There's no limit to how many songs you can add. When you're finished, tap the cancel icon located in the upper left corner. You'll now find that all the selected songs have been successfully added to your playlist. To proceed, tap on the download icon displayed here. This action will initiate the download of these songs directly to your mobile device. Please bear in mind that a Spotify Premium subscription is required to access this service. And there you have it. Your task is complete. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, we greatly appreciate your support through likes, subscriptions, and sharing.